Jim has a sukoon. Jim has a little dal. Jim has a sukoon. So Jim will called
Jim Sakoon.
Jim sakin.
Jim Sakin.
Kha has a sukoon. So Kha will called
Khosakan.
Kha sakin. Dal has a sukoon. So Dal will called
Sakoon.
Dal sakin. Ra
And
has a sukoon. So Ra will. Sorry.
they are the same, but only one is small and one is big.
Yes, just letter will be changed. Okay,
Yes.
Ra has a sukoon, so Ra will called
Rosakoon.
Ra sakin. Sin,
Rosakin.
Sin has a sukoon, so Sin will called
Jim Sakin.
Sheen has a sukoon, so Sheen will called
Jim Sakin.
Gad has a sukoon, so Gad will called
Dod Sakoon.
Dad sakin. Good
Dod
job.
Sakin.
This one. Ta has a sukoon, so Ta will called
That's a Sakoon.
Ta sakin.
That's Sakin.
Jim has a sukoon, so Jim will called
Jim Sakin.
Ha has a sukoon, so Ha will called
Hasakoon.
Dal has a sukoon on the top, so Dal will called
Dal Sakin.
Ra has a sukoon, so Ra will called
Rosakin.
Za has a sukoon on the top, so Za will called
Zav. Zav Sakin.
Good job. Sheen has a sukoon, so Sheen will called
Sakin.
Good job. Dad has a sukoon, so Dad will called
Dod Sakin.
Good job. Seen has a sukoon, so Seen will called
Sakin.
Good job.